Are you producing table legs, stair balusters, handrails, or turn wood parts? And still turning, milling, and sanding on different machines? The problem is not your craftsmanship. The problem is the process. This is the WM-1200A5-MT axis CNC turning and milling machine with automatic loading, designed to complete multiple operations in a single setup. Turning, milling, drilling, complex profiling, built-in sanding for surface finishing, automatic workpiece loading to reduce manual labor, powered by a Taiwan LNC control system, dual independent turning tools, and high-speed spindles running at 12,000 RPM for stable and precise machining. What truly matters is consistency. Every piece comes out uniform, fast, and accurate. Less reliance on highly skilled operators. More control over large-scale production. If you're running a woodworking factory, producing stair parts, furniture components, or decorative wood products, and looking to increase output without sacrificing quality, this video is for you. Watch until the end. We'll explain who this machine is for, who doesn't need it yet, and how to choose the right configuration from the start. Don't skip it.
Không mà không nó ngắt cái tôi cho nó có theo được nó chạy nó cái gì kia để làm cho tạm chạy nó nhét lửa không cái lửa rồi